Hi, this is our how-to for installing CRANEbee as a single user. After you get the delivery email, click on the link inside. You will be directed to the download page on our knowledge base. Click on Download here to download the latest version of the installer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click to start the installation process. Make sure to allow the installation in the administrator prompt. You may need the credentials of your company administrator for this. The installation wizard will guide you through the setup. Just click Next on each screen to proceed. Make sure to accept the general terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy. Next, you'll be prompted to activate your license. Simply enter your serial number, your company, and your email address and click Next to continue through the activation process. You will find your serial number in the delivery email. The installer will now download and install the necessary files. Depending on your Crane fleet, this may take a few minutes, so sit back and relax. After the download has finished, choose whether you want to create shortcuts to your Start menu for all users on this computer or only the current user. You can also decide whether this should be done for the desktop as well. Congratulations! CRANEbee is now installed and ready to use. Thank you for choosing CRANEbee. For more tutorials and support, visit our website.